Hey friends, if you encounter the error cannot save files on desktop on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. So here's the thing, if you cannot save files on your desktop, maybe it would be a virus that is causing the problem, or there was some recently installed app which was causing the issue, or it could be a recently a faulty Windows update. So here's how we will proceed with it. Right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the Windows Update tab on the list on the left hand side, select check for updates in the right pane. The next solution will be to disable a third party antivirus, not Windows Defender itself, but a third party antivirus. Right click on the start button, select settings from the menu. Now go to the apps tab on the list on the left hand side, select installed apps. If you have any third party antivirus installed on your system, click on the three dots associated with it, select uninstall and uninstall once again and remove it. The next one is to restore your system to an earlier point when it was working fine. So search for recovery in the Windows search bar and click on recovery. Select open system restore, click on next, choose a good restore point, click on next, click on finish and finally click on yes to initiate the system restore process. And lastly, you can perform a clean boot to isolate the possibility of interference by a third party software on your system. So search for system configuration in the Windows search bar, open system configuration, go to the services tab, check the box associated with hide all Microsoft services. If any of the service is checked, click on disable all, apply, OK, and then restart your computer. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, else let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.